But hours after the results, now a fresh controversy has erupted over Atishi's celebration. A video of the celebration shows the former Delhi Chief Minister Atishi dancing energetically to a popular Bollywood tune at a gathering that was attended by the party workers. While many have defended this video as an expression of joy after a long and hard-fought election campaign, others have also taken to social media to criticize. They're criticizing her for her insensitivity and lack of seriousness in the fate of the party's defeat. Swati Maliwal also condemned the celebration as a shameless display by Atishi, questioning the former CM on her timing. Maliwal also pointed out that not just the top leaders, but the party as a whole also lost Delhi polls and questioned if Atishi was celebrating because she is happy that the party lost.
पूरी पार्टी हार गई। कल पूरी की पूरी सत्ता हाथ से चली गई। कल अरविंद केजरीवाल जी हार गए, मनीष सिसोदिया जी हार गए, सारे के सारे शीर्ष नेतृत्व हार गया। और आतिशी मारलेना जी रात में अपनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में, क्योंकि वो जीत गई, उन्होंने एक रोड शो निकाला और उसमें जाके डांस भी करा और खूब इंजॉय करा। तो ये किस तरीके की बेशर्मी है? तो पार्टी के हार पर अगर पार्टी में जो लोग हैं वो इतने खुश होंगे तो फिर आप बताइए कि क्या फ्यूचर है?
The BJP has also questioned the move by Atishi, saying that the Aam Aadmi Party Neta should be introspecting and looking at the performance of the party. The Saffron Party also alluded to a rift within the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that the people understand the meaning behind this celebration.
आतिशी मारलेना को इस बार का एक बार आत्मचिंतन करना चाहिए कि जब उनकी पार्टी के मुखिया और बड़े बड़े धुरंधर जिनको वो अपना नेता मानती हैं वो सब चुनाव हार गए, उसके बाद कितना सेलिब्रेशन करना और किस बात का सेलिब्रेशन करना ये उनको सोचना चाहिए।
अब आप समझ सकते हैं कि अगर उनकी पार्टी की मुख्यमंत्री जिस तरीके से डांस कर रहे हैं, इस डांस का इशारा क्या है, इसके मीनिंग क्या है, ये आप समझ सकते हैं कि इस पार्टी में क्या चल रहा है। इससे ज्यादा मैं कुछ कह नहीं सकता। लोग समझदार हैं कि कितनी जोर जोर से डांस कर रही हैं, रोड शो निकाल रही हैं और पार्टी पूरी तरह से गर्त में जा चुकी हैं। तो ये डांस क्या कहता है, इसका मतलब लोगों को उस डांस से निकालना चाहिए।
देखो, ये तो पहले से चल रहा था कि अरविंद केजरीवाल आतिशी जी को हराना चाहते थे, आतिशी जी अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को हराना चाहती थी। भगवंत मान चिंता में थे कि हारने के बाद पता नहीं अरविंद कहाँ जाएंगे। तो ये सब कुछ आपस में चल रहा था। मनीष सिसोदिया आतिशी जी को हराने में लगे हुए थे, आतिशी, ऐसा हम सुनते थे। अब कल आतिशी का इतने खराब परिस्थिति में भी रोड शो निकालना, हमें लगता है वो उनकी जो अपनी अंदर की सत्ता लिप्सा है, वो लगा कि जीत गए हम, बाकी सबको निपटा दिया। तो ये वही बताएंगे, हम तो कुछ और नहीं बताएंगे।
And well, Times now spoke to Atishi on the charges against her, but the Aam Aadmi Party Neta dodged the straight question, refusing to comment on the charges being levelled against her.
Atishi, will you like to say something? There has been, in fact, lot many things said by Swati Maliwal about your celebration thing. Will you say something? So we had been trying, we tried to ask Atishi a question about what actually the criticism by Swati Maliwal, but she didn't stop vehicle. After submitting her resignation, she has left the Lieutenant Governor's secretariat. Now it is to be seen how much time it will take for the BJP to decide about the chief ministerial candidate. Till next government is formed, she will continue as a caretaker minister. Short while back, she came out to this place at Lieutenant Governor's secretariat. This is a normal protocol, normal norm, because she stepped down as a chief minister. She was, for less than 6 months, she had been the chief minister of Delhi. And after submitting resignation, immediately after that she left. We tried to stop her. We wanted to ask her question, what is going to be their strategy, what now their party is going to decide. But she did not stop. I asked her question about the criticism about her celebration by Swati Maliwal, Rajya Sabha Member Parliament. But she did not answer anything. They left from this place. Now she is going towards Kalka Ji, her residence. And it's to be seen. Now all eyes will be on the BJP headquarters, how much time they will take to decide about the chief ministerial race.
Well, political pundits too are raising questions on the Aam Aadmi Party's dismal results, questioning if Kejriwal will be able to revive the party following the poor performance in the polls, or will there be a change in the top leadership and rejig in the ranks within the Aam Aadmi Party?